No, I have no objection towards the order of my laws.
Are you can't
I can never, my
raise an
I can
objection? I
never-
will impose a heavy fine on you.
No, my lords.
How can you raise an objection if you are not satisfied? File a WA. You have a remedy.
My laws. My laws not.
Did you ever put a question on Google ki whether a writ petition for registration of FIR is maintainable? WhatsApp तो खेल लेते हो यार.
My laws.
इसको WhatsApp बना के Google पे खेलो ना, तो आपका कुछ ज्ञान बढ़ेगा.
My laws, this is a fresh petition in which an IA has been filed. Because due to typographical mistake, the name of respondent number 1, 2, and 3 have been indicated as district Sagar instead of district Nursing.
वो तो ठीक है sir. Who has dispossessed you?
My laws, I shall start with my arguments.
Who has dispossessed you?
My laws, he is one Krishna Kumar.
No, whether he is a government official or a private person.
No, my laws.
Eh?
He is not a government official.
How a writ petition against the action of a private person?
If my laws can be kind enough to just bear with me for a few minutes, I will just briefly state the facts of the case.
आप तो सीधा maintainability पे बताइए sir. I am not supposed to go through each and every word.
My laws,
How a writ petition against a private person is maintainable? Sir, please tell me.
my laws, before coming to the question of maintainability, just
Forget about that. I am not supposed to hear a case which is otherwise not maintainable.
yes, my laws.
Please don't argue as per your convenience. First of all, satisfy me whether a writ petition against a private person is maintainable. In case if you insist that I should hear you first,
Yes.
and ultimately if I come to a conclusion that it is not maintainable, then I can impose a penalty for wasting the court's period time.
My laws. My laws.
First of all, yes, what do you want? First of all, do you want to answer my query or you want to go ahead with your arguments?
Well, first I'll answer my law's query.
Yes, please.
My laws, the respondent has illegally demolished our residential accommodation and we had made representations before the public authorities. Firstly, we went to the local police for lodging an FIR, but under the political and financial influence of the respondent, my laws, just a second. Under the political and financial influence of the respondent, no FIR was registered, aggrieved by which we made a representation before Collector Nursing Board. No actions were taken, my laws. Aggrieved by which we made a representation twice before SP Nursing Board, dated 14th of
For
March.
what purposes?
For taking action for lodging FIR against the respondent for illegally demolishing our residential accommodation without any.
Under which provision of law it would be an offense?
My laws, to my very limited knowledge, according to me, by illegally demolishing our residential accommodation where we had been residing for past 30 years,
Hardly
the
matter.
respondent has committed an offense under section 436 of IPC, wherein committing mischief by illegally causing destruction of any property is punished with imprisonment for life and is a session tribal cases, so it's a high degree of cognizable offense.
So if you think that they should have registered the FIR,
My lords,
please file a complaint.
my lords, we have made representations.
Please file a complaint before the concerning magistrate.
So my lords, may kindly give a direction that until the complaint is decided, my lords, kindly.
Yes, you will not be allowed to re-enter on your land. यही डायरेक्शन दे सकता हूँ, क्या दे सकता हूँ? आपको दोबारा पोजेशन तो नहीं दिला सकता.
My lords, we are in.
वहां जाने से रोक सकता हूँ, रोक देता हूँ.
My lords, we are in possession of the property.
Once your house has already been demolished, then
I'll explain the position, my lords. My lords,
Sir,
after the.
Sir, please,
my lords.
if you want that an FIR should be registered against the respondent number 4, file a complaint.
I'll tell the present situation.
If you want that the possession should be restored back, file a civil suit.
My lords, they should have filed the civil suit because my lords under section.
9162. Sorry, sir.
My lords.
9162.